In this review, we're taking a closer look at the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine CS6000i. So this machine is great for beginners and also more advanced sewers. So if you're looking for a machine to just start out with or upgrading from your basic machine, then you're going to find this machine is really user-friendly. So this machine is going to go through everything from canvas to cotton, and customers are really loving how it sews through stretchy fabric too. And a helpful tip is that if you are going to be sewing through heavier fabric, like a canvas, then do make sure your tension is set for the fabric to avoid bunching. That's one of the most important things when sewing through heavy fabric, is that your tension is set properly. And it allows you to put it to the perfect tension for the kind of fabric that you're going to be using. And just check the manual that comes with the machine to make sure that your tension is set correctly. There is an easy threading system, so all you need to do is pull down a lever and that's going to thread the needle for you. So there's 60 built-in stitches, so there's decorative patterns, straight lines, heirloom stitches, and that's a pretty good amount of stitches to make everything from quilts to doll clothes. There's also large zigzag stitches. So these are super wide zigzag and decorative stitches, so that's going to be something that you might like to use to enclose your raw edges with. And the built-in stretch stitches are what you're going to be using for anything elastic or stretchy fabric. You know how some machines won't really sew through a fabric that's stretchy, like spandex blends, very easily? Well, this one actually has a special setting for fabrics that stretch. And then there's 10 sewing feet that come with this machine and a free motion monogram foot. And this is what allows you to sew in all different directions. And you can easily swap your feet with the easy change lever. And the buttonholes. Included is 8 different styles of buttonholes, so you can just play around with different patterns to go with your project. And for those who love to quilt, you're really going to enjoy that there's a button that allows you to do free motion quilting. So it allows you to move the quilt in different directions. And it has a wide table. So if you're working on big sewing projects, you're going to find this super helpful. And the table actually slides on and off. So if you need to remove it for a part of your project, it just comes off easily. And the LCD display. So that's going to help you with the proper settings to choose your stitches and also to use the proper foot for the project that you're working on. It has a top load bobbin, so you just set it right in there super easy with the see-through bobbin cover so you can see what's going on in there. And there is a variable speed control right on the front, so you can control how fast the machine is going right there. And then there's also 3 thread cutters. So you're gonna have one on the top by the bobbin winder, right beside the bobbin, and then on the side of the machine too. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.